जब आप शो बना रहे थे आपको लगा था ऐसा कुछ होने वाला है?
ताने आपसे पूछ रहे हैं।
मैं
बना तो
आप
आप
दोनों
रहे
से पूछ रही
थे।
हूँ मैं ये।
फर्स्ट यू हैव टू से नीरज।
नहीं, आप सोचते भी नहीं इन सब चीजों के बारे में, तब तो आप यही सोच रहे होते हैं कि आप जो कर रहे हैं वो ठीक से कर पाए। एंड आई बिलीव दैट वाज द फोकस, दैट वी एग्जीक्यूट व्हाट इज ऑन पेपर। एंड हमारी कोशिश ये थी कि जो पेपर पे है उसको सही तरीके से जो है हम लोग स्क्रीन पे ले आए। बाकी यू डोंट थिंक अबाउट ऑल दीज थिंग्स व्हाइल यू आर मेकिंग एंड ऑल दैट।
तान्या?
Actually, that's Neeraj's humility. I knew he will say this. That's why I told him to speak first. But I think we all knew the intensity of the idea and the scope that it has. I think, it's a never seen before world, and it is a never seen before kind of a thriller. And Neeraj brings these things alive like nobody else can, with, I think, the flair and the simplicity of narrative that everyone across the board, across borders can watch. And then when you add Imran as a nice tadka to it, it really, really lands. So I think I'd say we were cautiously optimistic. We knew that there's something special in here, and just needed the audience verification, which we've got with a lot of love all over the world.
Imran, I saw your message to your fans that if the stories
जी.
are told honestly, they travel. I think it's today's message. Was that part of the reason for you to work on this show? And was this a character you had never played? You have played men in uniform and all that, but
I have, but there's never been a piece made on or story revolves around our custom officers, and I think that was a novelty that kind of drew me in. Obviously, also working with Neeraj, Netflix again, it was like a dream team, and you'll be a fool to say no to something like this. I actually like they're saying now you had me at hello. Neeraj calling me and saying that there's a show that he had me on that show already. It was just the icing on the cake when he sent me the entire 4 episodes, and I was like blown away. Like how you binge read. I finished reading it in one go, and I saw it was like explosive material. It's very rarely you get something that's so engrossing through and through, and that just translates when you see the show. There's not a dull moment, and that's exactly what I saw on paper. So I think it's only elevated with performances, with the scale of the show. No one's ever seen anything like that. I mean, that's the reaction, and not for me. A lot of people are saying that, and it's typical. I mean, it's a binge worthy. It's a binge watch. So that's what people are
that
kind
you
of waking up
rightly
to.
said, there is not a dull moment. To make something so snappy, and your presence is very good in in the show. I was going to say film because you have a very hero entry in this one,
Yeah,
because
thank
the way
you,
you enter the frame is very interesting.
thank you.
Yeah. So how, I mean, it is very engrossing, and आप सोचते हो कि customs की story इतनी इतनी like twists and turns कैसे हो सकते हैं? So Neeraj, you always go to the newspaper reports and somehow draw very interesting stories. You're the secondary journalist, I would say. After the journalists have filed the story.
I don't even know how to answer that one. but uh,
Absolutely.
but but the idea was that हर बार whenever you want to come up to an audience and you want to tell a story, you want that story to be unique. It should be about something that they have not seen. Uh, it should be a new world. It should be about newer things and all that. That newness, I believe, is the thing that all storytellers look out for, and that's exactly what we chased.
And you had Imran, like Imran said, you had him at Hello, but you already had Imran when you were writing it on the pages, or?
No, I mean he was the only name on our wish list, and I mean we didn't even have even one and two both belong to Imran, so it was for him to just go through the material and respond. He was our first and only choice, and I'm glad that we could do this together. Yeah.
Yeah. This is a question to all three of you, but I'll begin. I want an answer from Imran first because he is acted in the series. As an actor, how exciting it is to see your show travel beyond the local audience. You were catering to a certain audience, but now the show is at number
Yeah.
one in different countries. So how
Yeah.
exciting and how scary it is to see your stories travel, because हमारे जब कुछ बहुत बड़ा हो जाता है तो हम पहले सोचते हैं हमने क्या मिस्टेक्स किए, कहीं को वो मिस्टेक्स भी तो ट्रैवल नहीं हो रही है. So is
Yeah.
that a process of being scared and being excited at the same time?
No, I mean, this is like a dream come true. I mean, you just hope for everyone to kind of, first of all, like your show, and pick it up, and it, hopefully kind of for it to kind of work in a big way in India. Yesterday, I got a call from my manager, and he's like, it's gone global, and it's reached the number one spot so fast." So I asked him again, can say that again? Like, it's just too much kind of process. I'm still processing it, but it's great. I mean, it's material that goes across, I guess, different cultures, and it's very pulpy. It's very thrilling. It's a fast watch. It's everything that a show should be. And I'm not very surprised, actually. I'm not surprised that everyone's enjoying the show across the globe. Because, and yeah, I know after this show, people are going to see airports in a very different light. This is a story in all airports. There are a lot of travelers out there, and the kind of anecdotes and things that are interspersed with the scenes, the green channel, red channel scenes, and just basically the airport scenes are so interesting along with the characterization. I think it's a win-win. People are loving it, so it's great.
What we've been able to bring to this excellently made piece is the platform. We've been able to take it to those audiences, and it's been a trend which I think Taskari, of course, tops it by being at number one. But last year we've had literally every single week across 24 and 25, we've had an Indian film or series in the global top 10. So it's heartening for me that we're able to sort of take our stories to the world. We are able to take our storytellers to the world, take the imagination and these really amazing stories that are being told first in India across the world. I think that consumption, the fact that that it's number one in I think 10 countries and in the top 10 of 23 plus countries, I think it's amazing for us to have this kind of a value to a story which is mounted with such ambition.
Tanya, for a long time, as a K-drama fan and Korean content fan, K-pop Demon Hunter came, Squid Game came. Uh, Korea has like constantly surprised the streaming when it comes to breaking the numbers. Do you think India is the next one in this game?
I would say with all humility, and we love the Korean content, but why must we try to be like someone else? We are best when
Mm,
we are ourselves. Why shouldn't we aim higher? We have
mm,
such diversity. I think it's rare across the world.
mm,
We have a treasure trove of stories that are so uniquely ours. Why won't we dip into all of that and actually enrich the ecosystem, build newer voices, have great mentors like Neeraj to really build, like Raghav partnered with him to actually build newer, fresher storytellers who can actually dive in, enrich the ecosystem with fresh stories that take us maybe beyond.
mm.
Let's really strive for higher, I would say.